Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your ASUS ROG Harpe Ace AIM Lab Edition to an iPhone. To do it, you need to first turn your mouse into Bluetooth mode. So here's this switch, and you can put it in free modes, and when you put it all the way up, it turns into Bluetooth. Then press and hold on the pair button until the blue light starts blinking. When the blue light starts blinking, you can go to settings on your iPhone, and in the settings go to Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and now you can see ROG Harpe. Click on that and it will connect to the mouse. You need to just click on pair, and now it's paired. Now to use it, you need to go back in settings and go to accessibility. Then find assistive touch. So the assistive touch should be in touch, then assistive touch. You can enable that, and now I should be able to just go down, go back, then go down to pointer control, and you can see that I have the pointer here. It's not too visible, so I'm gonna increase the contrast, or maybe the pointer size, like that, and hide it, and set the color to white so it's more visible. And now, as you can see, I have the pointer. I can use it like that. Also, it turns on the assistive touch control, so you can, for example, use it to I don't know, go to the notification center or anything else. And you can also customize the assistive touch button in the assistive touch settings, which we've been to earlier. You can place it also in different places, so it's not too distracting. And that's how you use the mouse on an iPhone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.